So this video is about preparing the Cocopeat brick in a way which is suitable for using in gardening as a to be mixed in the soil. So this video is about how to make this Cocopeat brick that you see in the left to a form in which we can use for gardening purpose to mix in the along with the potting mix. So I'll show you that. Okay, so now this is the Cocopeat brick that I got from Amazon. I think I paid around 100 rupees for 2 blocks. So you can see it is 650 grams and it says 1.5 liters of water. So this one block is 650 gram. So the idea is that this block will turn into 16 liters, that is the volume of Cocopeat that we will get from this block. So now the time is 1:38. So we will see how much time it will take to get into the full 16 liter form. So I have here 1 liter of water. This I've approximately measured it so that you get a clear idea about how much water is required to make this into the Cocopeat that we can use for gardening. So I'll pour a little bit of water into the pan. Okay, so I think I poured half liter of water. I'm using it a big bucket because once it is finished, almost half to 3/4 of this bucket would be full with this Cocopeat. You will wait and watch. So now I'll turn this around. You can see that it has started unraveling a bit. You can see. Okay. So I'll pour a little bit of water here also. Okay. Now you can see, I think you can see the transformation with your own eyes. Okay. So right now it is this thick. You know what it is? Little less than my index finger. So let us see after 10 minutes. And now this is, so it is sitting like this for 10 minutes. I said I have done almost 1 liter water, almost more than half, 60% of 1 liter I have put in. Now we can see how it has grown. When we started, it was almost only this height. Now we can see that it has grown this much. It is expanded, and all the water which was there in the surrounding area has been absorbed by this brick block. So now you can see the texture. So I hope you understood that how the Cocopeat is made from these brick blocks. So I'll turn this. You can see that it is breaking. You can see the texture, and the texture also, I don't know if this is the texture. Now it's not fully broken. So what I will do now is I'll add some more water. There is no need for us to force this. I will put a little more effort here, and okay, so I will put the rest of this water on the block and turn it around and wait, let the water go in, and this much more water, which will make it totally 1.5 liters of water. So right now I'll not pour it in it. I'll wait another some minutes before we turn it, so that we'll try to see if we can make the whole block out of 1.5 liters. If not, there is nothing wrong. We can add more water. That is a prescribed water. That's all. I think I would have added some more water last time when I made this. It's okay. We are just going to add it into the plan. So there is no as such hard and fast rule about how much water needs to be added. Okay. So yeah, let's come back after a few minutes. So I am back after a few minutes. So now the time is 2:43. So you can see how much it has grown. You can see that I am now, yeah. So most of this is gone. Yeah. Okay, so there is a small part, this I was expecting, but I think if I use both my hands, yeah, you can see. Okay, let's see, we will use water, and so now I've used 1 whole liter of water. So except this, all of them are ready, you can see that. So now how the 16 liter calculation is done is here clear. So yeah, I think in this case the calculation that 1 to 1.5 liter of water is what is required to make the 16 liter volume. I think it's all this is a texture that you're getting. This is mixed with potting soil and probably vermicompost or cow dung to make the potting mixture for balconies or balcony gardens or even normal gardening. So each plant has its own proportion. I'm not an expert to tell the proportion to it, but one good thing I know is that Cocopeat is a very good medium for sprouting of seeds. So and many plants can be grown, or at least to some extent the seed can be converted to sapling in just this Cocopeat mixture. It is highly nutritious, and you can see, it absorbs the excess water. So yes, yeah, thank you for watching.